Now, the gateway API primarily takes care of north-south traffic, right? So north-south is outside your cluster to inside your cluster. Uh, and the Gamma initiative, uh, I think their basic design model is that just like we do in north and south, how about we do east and west as well? That means communication between services within the cluster. So I think they are and they're trying to do this with minimal changes. And I think like the way the gateway API was also set up, it allows them to do this without that many changes, right? Um, so that's what the Gamma initiative is all about. Again, this was introduced, I think last year or the year, maybe the year before that. I'm not entirely sure. So they're looking for a lot of open source contributions for people to have build this up. I attended one of the talks and they primarily spoke about conformance with respect to the Gamma model, right? So conformance in the sense that you have your core feature set, which is meant to be portable and universally accessible by anyone who's using these APIs. Then you have the extended feature set, which are a little more customized, might not be available for everyone. It's still portable, but might not be available for everyone. And then you have implementation specific features, which are generally vendor specific, right? So I think the session I attended was quite useful. We get to see you can basically generate conformance reports on your clusters now that can show you these XYZ features that you're using are compatible, they work. These features might not work properly, won't work. I think that's going to be very useful as we start seeing people use these APIs more and more. As you see people transitioning away from Ingress and towards gateway APIs, I think this is going to be super helpful along the journey.